Alright guys, we're out here with our Bear Creek Arsenal 16-inch barrel gun, and what I'm going to do is just burn through 30 rounds to do a function test. I placed T-dot scope on there just to have something in reference, and hopefully from the bench holding it at the target we'll also get an idea on accuracy. But I know 30 rounds isn't a lot, but it's all I can kind of do under the circumstances. I'm going to put 30 through here, see if I can get 30 rounds of function, and that's going to kind of be it for me. Then I'll go and do a synopsis on this, and we'll check it out as we go. All right. Okay, 5 rounds. Held back. The bolt functioned good. Now I'm going to do a 10 round clip. Bolt catch is a little stiff. Actually, it's a lot of stiff. I don't know. That's a little weird. Okay, military magazine drops free. Let's see if the bolt catch does that again. And this sight is blurry as hell. I don't know why. Okay, we're going to go with another 10. So far so good. See if I can get that bolt catch to release. Did that time. Alright, it's stock, has a lot of play in it, up and down, but so far so good. Alright, it's 25, and bolt catch released that time. Alright, so it's 30 rounds, no stoppages, everything ejected, ejection pattern is all in one spot. Nothing's worked loose. I see no problems. So we're going to call that good. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go down, take a look at the target, and see one thing we could do. See, we're going to go down and take a look at the target and see how we did. Okay, as far as accuracy goes, the fact the stock was moving and that sight was blurry as hell and it's not sighted in, not too terrible. Got most of them in the diamond, and some of them because I was just rapid firing with me. But it looks like that barrel, standard accuracy. We had a more stable stock on there. On a different setup, probably from a sandbag would have been better. And just absorbing the recoil into the shoulder instead of the gun bouncing off the plastic stop. Or rest, plastic rest. Alright, so we're going to call that good.